Alright guys, welcome back to Codes and Coffee. Today we have a 2007 Dodge Nitro RT. And on this one, customer complaint is AC compressor squeaking. So we went ahead and double checked the pulleys and the belts to make sure those were not the culprits. Those are the two items that you want to check prior to going ahead and chasing your tail around. Narrow down that it's not your pulleys or your belts. Then it's time to go ahead and change the compressor, and we'll show you how to do that today. Yes! Back at it again, Mr. Master Mechanic. What are we doing on this truck?
We're trying to get to our air conditioning compressor without making a big deal out of it. Trying to get in there kind of easy in and out.
Yeah.
We're going to try, see how it works, okay?
So it's just his compressor's whining.
The compressor is getting kind of tired. High mileage, excessive use. You get some telltale signs of a bunch of canaries under the hood. You know, they make a lot of noises. So that's what we're working on right now.
Nice.
All right, so right here, Ricky. Let's take this out of here, Mikey. These are always a challenge, so find the weakest link. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I found one weakest link, Mikey. I think I want to take out this hose assembly too, which is one screw here, Mikey. Let's take care of that one. We have a intake air temperature sensor, Mikey. We can pull it off or we can disconnect it, depending on his mood. We're just gonna disconnect it like so, okay? Now, let's see what we're doing here. Let's get this out of the way. That's the second part removed. So now, I have removed two of these plugs. The last one is... Jesus Christ, oh man. You would think you break something, but they don't.
Yep, you're going to pull them right out.
Yeah. All right, Mikey, we're looking at it, right? Okay. So, let us, the toughest part's going to be here. All right, let's try it. First, let us take care of this little plug, Mikey, if you could, right? This little locking thing. And I need WD-40 here. 1 and 2 and 3 13s, Mikey. I think this is gonna clear itself out of here, you know what? If you get lucky, Mikey, I think we're gonna get out of this relatively
unscathed.
Yeah, relatively. Well, this thing is... Thank you. Let's get this out of the way. Please stay out of the way. Thank you. Alright, Mikey. Next thing is we do need to disconnect our belt, okay? And the belt disconnection is... Oh, it's right there. Ideally, you want to remove this whole white boxes out of here. So we're trying not to get involved, right, with that. Let it clip, okay? Remove that. So just to gain a little access to here, where we could do what we want to do here. All right, Mikey. All right, so let me just see here. Can we do a diagram on this?
Sure.
Just in case. This Mikey. And there's this big round here. So we come out of here. Okay, we come out of crank, go all the way to, sorry, this way, that way. Okay, from there, forgot to put this in here, come out of there, go into your alternator, come out of the alternator, go into the idler pulley number 1, and then go, it actually goes above the secondary idler pulley. Well, that could be a tensioner, it's tough to see from here. I'm going to call the secondary idler pulley, and then goes to AC, but from there, finally goes around our idler, okay? Is this the idler right here? It's going to go like this, going to go like this, go like that. That makes sense. All right, Mikey. I'd really like to remove this box, but it's just a pain, you know? Alright, so the belt is somewhat removed.
Alright, so basically now what we're going to do is we're going to evacuate the system, and you want to hook up all your hoses to your containers and start that process. We'll be back in a sec, as that takes 2 people to do it in this one. Okay. So now we're attacking the compressor. It's a 14, Mike?
Yes, 13 millimeter.
13 millimeter.
3 13 millimeters holding the compressor to the block. So what we're going to do is basically we're going to take out this back one. I think the front one's going to be loosened up, but we are going to take it off. Yeah, we're going to take it off, all studs too, because there's no room. It's going to hit the side of the body of the car. So let's continue with the battle here, Mikey. This got to completely get out of there. And this is a tool for our little Milwaukee. Milwaukee. Okay. Now these bolts, I don't want to lose them, okay? Put them there for you, you keep an eye on them. Now, the last one is, I mean, it's just sitting on the frame rails. There is no room here at all, okay? We're gonna try to go from ratchety wrench, 13 millimeter. We're gonna go all the way bottom. Wish me good luck here, because I don't know where we are here. I like this extra light still. Okay, here we go. I can just touch it, but wow. I'm taking it off as much as I can, okay? So you took it off a little bit here. You can see this guy is getting loose. Now, I am going to take out this, because as you slide it here, there's no way in hell this is going to hit right here. So I'm going to take this out.
Yeah.
This is the inverted Torx heads. So we're going to attack that next. Things are slippery here, you gotta be careful. Okay, this is coming off, but what do we do on the bottom, Mikey? If they were careful enough, they would have at least left the bottom screw. So the bottom bolt may come with the compressor together, because the way I'm looking at it is there is no room that this guy's gonna get out of there. You know what? Hopefully it'll back off enough. I'm going right from here, Mikey. I'm right there, and I'm gonna hit the frame rail. I mean, I'm less than a quarter of an inch away.
Yep.
There is no room here, man. I don't know what they had in mind here. You're gonna find out soon enough. So I'm gonna go with this again. I wish I had a short handle 13 when this guy's out of here, Mikey.
Man, those ratchets are silent.
I don't hear anything.
What?
Okay, that's how they come off. We're gonna leave them with the compressor, okay? Look, you can actually manipulate it. You see? You can tilt it down, up. Now that's the second one, Mikey. I don't like this area, man. 1, 2. Okay, so now that this guy's free, this is what I was hoping for. Can I get away with? Now I tilted it down that way, Mike. I want to try to get in a little bit better here, but I have very limited place. We're gonna see what a thoughtful engineers they were in a second. Did they think about this or not? We're gonna find out, Mike. If they thought about it, it should, the bolt should just come with the compressor together out.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, this engine has to go up. That means we gotta lift the thing up. We're gonna manipulate it. Depending on how long is this bolt going into the block. Does it go half an inch? Does it go 3/8, 7 inch? I don't know how much they went in. That remains to be seen, Mike. And we're gonna find out shortly. Very shortly. Coming to a theater near you. Come on, buddy. I still have room. The room is getting tighter and tighter. Pretty soon I won't be able to get the wrench out of it.
Oh no.
You know? The wrench is gonna get stuck between the bolt and the block. Which I am right about there, Mikey. Look, I cannot go any more than that. If I do, the tool's gonna get stuck. Now we're gonna get really nasty here. So we need to stop and get this tool out of the way, Mikey. So now we have to go to open-ended wrench, and we really have to go on the foot here. Think about us, Mikey. Okay.
That was it.
That's it. So now the plan is somehow tilt it upwards, just get it out of there, okay? So I don't know how is it gonna get out of there. I wish me good luck, Mikey. This I've never done before, so your guess is good as mine. But looks like sometimes we get lucky, you know? So this is the bolt that we had to keep it in there, okay? We keep it together. We had to get the stud out of the upper one. The back one does come out clearly, okay? All right, so
this is the compressor we found online for about 200 bucks.
added 6.75. Okay.
And the oil's already pre-added.
Let's open these up, Mikey. Let's take this over there. Come on. These two covers, and now it's different size chunks. 12. Okay. sometimes. This. Okay, that. Now, like during the delivery, right? Things may have been settled, so we're gonna very slowly turn this up. We're gonna hang this right in here first, okay? So I'm gonna just get this going first, Mikey. I'm gonna put this across. And good luck doing this in one hand. See, they didn't make any hanging devices, anything, you know? So this will take a while. Or not. Come on, babe. Okay, that's one, Mikey. I think I'm gonna take this guy. It's going right down there. It goes right there, Mikey. That's number 2. And then the bottom, it's gonna be tough to get that going, but well, we're in a better shape than before. Okay, so all right. That's bottomed out, Mikey. I think we're going to utilize one of these. That's for the thing, yeah. This is one of our holding things. Now this one is already in, Mikey. So we can get that going a little bit for us too. Like this. Hey, Milwaukee, make this easier to work on, will you? I don't want to go too much yet because I've got a business with my nemesis. They like them apples, huh? All right, here we go. You mean to tell me this is taking dog? Jesus. I'll try to tighten as much as I can by hand, Mikey. Okay, so now we can try to put our tool in there. Yeah, this one. Frustrating because it's just gonna turn and turn and turn. Take it off again. Well, at least it's in, so I can literally take care of these first, Mikey. Go up there, so better go on foot here, Mikey.
basically just 3 bolts that holds
Yes.
holds in the compressor.
Yes. Physically, compressor is held to the block by 3 bolts. The bottom bolt had to come with it. Upper bolt, we not only take out the nut, but we had to take out the stud itself because it was going to interfere with this. Back one has plenty of room, you can take it off. Okay, so we tighten this, we are going after this. And this will take a while. Just turning it by hand, getting in there, whatever it takes, you know. Last one. Okay. All right, compressor's in there, Mikey. Now, without further ado, Mikey, there's going to be a straight shot here, okay? Fits nicely. That's nice, Mikey.
And that was your low?
Yeah, this is the low side, Mikey.
That's the high. That's the low. Little high, little low.
The other shiny one that came out of there, I like to use that. You don't want to go crazy here, but you want them tight. Not over tighten, but tight. Now, the last thing is the electrical connection, which is, I hit it here. Jesus Christ, did I hit it good. And watch this last thing, it doesn't fit. Imagine that. That would, it fits, but they didn't make this a good connection in there. It'll slide in there. Okay, Mike, it's not been compressed. Now, can we just put the belt back on, please?
I'm gonna put the belt back on. All right, guys, so that's how to take off and put back in a AC compressor. And now we're just gonna tighten up the belts and whistles. Haha.
All right, okay, I'm gonna hold it right about there. Everybody's in place, so all I gotta do is here is to find my tool, which I use this guy, Mikey. I'm gonna go right in here. I gotta get in from here, Mikey. Nope, from here all the way down. Now that we install this AC line, it'll be a little bit more difficult, but we'll do our best. Yeah, man. Okay. I'm going that way up.
Is that the tensioner?
Yes. And the tensioner is in a... Yeah, man. Wow. Okay. The tool has a little bit of room, so it fools you. Alright, I'm gonna go like that. And just get the head in there, Mikey. And then what? Okay. Hey. And then this. What do you think, huh? You call me an amateur?
Oh, boom!
Alright, so Mikey belt is happy. So let's install our air box, okay? Which is right here. There's some love juice in here. 3. Okay. Let us jam this up. Oh. Yeah, we could do that too. Install this first, Mikey.
Wait, we'll get this light out of here.
I know, huh?
Come here, light.
Okay. This guy's in there, Mikey. Okay. Double make sure that we are in here. Doesn't look like it, but it is, Mikey. Alright, that's good. Now, let us do these two, Mikey. Alright, so, always start in the back of this thing. Get this thing out of the way. 1 and 2. This, you may want to be a nice guy and install this in here right now, if you don't mind. That we could do. Okay, next is the air. Remember, air temperature sensor. I don't want this out of here for now, sorry. It'll be a better fit. Okay. 1, 2, ready? Hey. You stay there. I'm gonna start with this one first, Mikey. Next, make sure this rubber hole's in there good. Which it is. Okay, third, last step, gonna stick this hole in there, and this gotta go like this. Okay, so now get this thing open. Let's get some refrigerant here.
Alright, now we're going to charge the system. Put some Freon in it. And on this, this is a 2007, so the valve is located right on the passenger side here.
We're gonna fill. There's at least half of this here first. So let's. Hey, just gonna fill this up first initially, okay? Have some initial fill. And this thing, like we know, gonna get ready to start this thing up soon, okay?
Yep.
Just taking our time here, filling it a little bit.
Now, why are you shaking it for the audience who doesn't understand why you're shaking the container?
Well, the container has a little fluid on the bottom part, and then there's the gas part in there. I'm mixing them together like this, just to help the. It seems to go in better, especially now because the car is off. Initially filling it.
Yep.
I mean, if you can just start up the car right now, Mikey, that would be good.
All right. Let's start it right up. now we're just going to check the temperature while Mike is out in the engine cabin. I'm going to be in here checking the temperature. We're at 65. Slowly dropping. And just in case you guys had any questions, the mileage on this Dodge Nitro is 146,104. And the compressor that we took off is original to the vehicle. So 2007, and give or take, was that 11 years? 2017, 18. So 11 years on the compressor. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Broke 30, so that's good. And the engine isn't even completely warm, and that's at right at idle. So it definitely tends to get ice cold, to say ice cold, like into the teens. When you're driving, it's over 1,500, 2,000 RPMs, and when the engine is nice and happy, warmed up. Alright guys, there you have it. We just came back from a ride. It's ice cold in here. That's how to change a AC compressor on a Dodge Nitro. Alright, until the next.